Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So this was $140 off of Amazon, and it seemed like a pretty good deal for what it was. And during the shipping, this actually got damaged, so your product might be getting thrown around a little bit, so just be aware of that. I can see mine has. So let's go ahead and open this up. And one of the cool things about this is it comes with a fan that will be placed over it, so I didn't have to buy anything else for that. Alright, so I'm not going to be too kind to this box. Alright, so I got that off. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what's inside here. Alright, so we have a limited 3-year warranty. I can see right here. AMD processor. Alright, put this to the side. What's this over here? Oh, here it is. This looks really cool. I wouldn't mind like putting this up for a display somewhere because a CPU just looks so cool. Kind of like how I display my Packers gold coin that I have from the Super Bowl in North Texas. Gonna keep this in the packaging and just put it off to the side. And here's the coolant system underneath it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Awesome. I wonder how cool this will actually keep it. If I need to buy something after I install it, we'll see, depending on the PC temperatures. Cool beans. So lift this right up. So this does come with thermal paste already applied to the bottom, so just be careful when you're touching it. You don't want to ruin that. So you can see everything on here. The thermal paste right here. Just keep touching it from the sides like this, and be careful when you set it down. There are little screw holes right here that you're going to be screwing onto your motherboard later on. So we got this all set up, and I'm going to put together my PC later today. This is looking good, so we won't need to apply any thermal paste at all. So we have the CPU, and the fan will go right over it, and that's cool. I like how these come with thermal paste already included, so you don't have to mess around with that when you're installing it. If you're looking at the length of this cord, I mean, it's not the longest cord if you need like an extension cable or something for your fan. This is probably what, like 10 inches long for approximate, maybe a foot. And if you have to wrap it around your fan or something like this, it's going to be a little bit shorter, depending on what way you put your fan in over the CPU. So if this video did indeed help you out get a little bit closer look at the AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.